Time makes all the difference in your business success, especially when it comes to leveraging exciting technologies like 3D printing. That means teaming with leaders like Scarlett. At Scarlett, we're here to get you up and running in the world of additive manufacturing. We are experts at the forefront of this technology, representing all 7 of 3D Systems print platforms. As additive manufacturing application specialists, Scarlett understands the most advanced technologies, like direct metal printing. Contact Scarlett today to get started with the 3D technologies of tomorrow.